Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by confirming system readiness, Windows 11 Pro or Enterprise and CPU virtualization support. Once done, reboot into UEFI and enable Intel VTX or AMD, then disable Device Guard or Credential Guard so Hyper-V can manage hypervisors. Make sure Windows Update and Bluestacks are current. Conflicting old versions cause driver mismatches. You're preparing the environment so Hyper-V integration later will be clean and predictable. Now you configure Hyper-V features. Open Windows Features and enable Hyper-V, Windows Hypervisor Platform, and Virtual Machine Platform. Reboot when prompted. Once active, create a VM tuned for Bluestacks. Prefer Generation 1 if compatibility issues arise, or enable nested virtualization on Generation 2 so Android can run. Assign at least 2 CPU cores, 4 GB of RAM, and map GPU resources or enable GPU partitioning if supported. Doing this prevents common performance and compatibility failures later. Finish by installing Bluestacks inside the configured VM and updating virtual drivers before launching apps. You should test an app immediately. If you see GPU or rendering errors, switch Bluestacks renderer to OpenGL or increase VRAM and GPU allocation, then restart the VM. If problems persist, disable Hyper-V temporarily, reboot, and reinstall Bluestacks using legacy compatibility mode to reset drivers. If you do need to revert, keep a note of original settings so you can restore them quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.